Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. Let's start from where we left in our previous tutorial. Let's have a look at another example. I want to create a HR again and create a form. We don't need that one. And let's create a div with class name row. Let's assign a margin bottom value to. Let me create a label, email, and let's assign classes for label, call sm2, and call form label. Let's create another div and input, type email, and class form control. Let me delete that space, and I want to copy that one and paste one more time. That one is going to be password, and type must be password. And I want to use field set area for this form. Let's add a class name, row mb3. Let's add our legend tag and class name, call form label, and call sm2 and padding top 0. And let's add a text and let's create a div and let's create another div for form check. And we need to create input and label. Type must be radio and class form check input. And let's add a value, option 1, and let's make it checked. And let me add our label, class name form check label, and a text first label. Let me copy that one and paste one more time. And that one is second. And option 2. Let's add checkbox, div row, margin bottom 3. Let me create another div and let's create another div for form check. And let's create our input and label. Type must be checkbox and class name form check input. And let's add our label, class name form check label, and let's add a text checkbox. And lastly, we need to add a button. Type submit and class name btn primary. Let's say sign in. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we created our second form, but both of radio selected. Let's make one of them is not selected. Just need to remove that one. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, our second form is ready too. As you see guys, we use input differently. For example, address area cover all width, or we divided two sections for that one, email and password, or we divided three at this section, city, country and postcode area. Let's have a look at them one more time. This is our address area. We use column 12. So it means we want that area cover whole width. Let's have a look at our city and postcode area. You see guys, we use column 6 and column 4 for country and column 2 for postcode. When you sum up three of them, 6 plus 4, 10 and plus 2, 12. As you remember, our total column must be 12. So in this way, we divided that row for three different sections. For example, if you want to add another thing for first row, let's say email and password, let's add a name input for this row. Let me copy that one and paste it. Let's change that one, name, text. So we have three div for this area. We just need to change column numbers to make them equal 12. So we have 3 div, it means 12 divide 3, it means 4. Let me put a small explanation here. We have total 12 columns for each row. We want to use total 3 columns for that area. So we just need to divide 12 for 3 div. And it gives us column number. Let me put another note. Total column number. So that is a very simple formula, guys. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we made it 3. Let's say I want to talk about G3. We use G3 at the beginning of the form. We use G for creating gap between form elements. Let me make it that one 5 and save it. Let's have a look at it. You see guys, that is the difference. Let me remove that one. It is very close each other. So you can use G3 like this to make it your forms looks better. And our form is completely mobile friendly. So we don't need type any more code to make it mobile friendly. So that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.